Hey everyone, my name's Kestrel, Senior Strategist and Chief Mixologist over at the SegunO's Tasting Lab. Today I want to walk you through how we make SegunO's, breakfast of Shopify merchant champions. All right, let's get started. Really, all you're gonna need is just some household items, so this should be pretty easy. Go ahead and get your stand mixer out. Up first, you're just gonna wanna combine 1.5 cups of flour, a few teaspoons of salt, and of course, a little bit of baking soda. Next, we need to add our sugar. And as you know, SegunO's are extra sweet. That's because we have such great customer support. Those little sweeties are always around, ready to answer your SegunO questions. So for sugar, let's add all the sugar you have in your house. Start off with just your basic granulated stuff. Brown sugar, maybe even throw in some maple syrup. And why not top it off with some sprinkles? Up next, SegunO's automation is always listening to Shopify. That's why it's completely integrated inside the platform and allows you to know right when somebody purchases. So you can send them a post-purchase message, a welcome message, or an abandoned checkout message. So because we're always listening, let's add some headphones. You need SegunO to be fast, real fast, because you're a Shopify merchant who's busy. So up next, we're adding tennis shoes. And finally, we want to add the element that's going to give SegunO's its signature color, hot sauce, because SegunO is always adding hot new templates, hot new connections, and hot new features. So go ahead and take every hot sauce you have in your house and add it to it. Okay, now that you've got all the basic ingredients added together, let's mix it up. All right, nope, that's locked. There it is. Now we've got everything mixed up, it's time to shape the dough. Ooh, gonna lick that later. Next, pull out some of this dough. And to make our signature O shape, all you need to do, roll it around your finger, making a little O. And don't worry, they shrink as they cook.
12 seconds later.
Ah, smells like success. Here we've got SegunO's, breakfast of Shopify champions. And don't forget, inside every SegunO's box is a free template. Hey, babe, I'm looking for that prop cereal. I gotta do the final shot of this YouTube. Oh, babe, did you eat that?
Hey, where's my headphones?